Hello, dear learners. Welcome to everybody to my online class. Today, today's online class, dear learners. Let's go. Yeah, this is Nishit Kumar Jodhar in front of you. Today, I am going to conduct a new topics for you because today I am going to describe a text for your next exam. If you understand text very carefully, I think all of you can realize the topics and you can understand the topics very carefully. Okay, dear learners, let's go. What can you see here? Yeah, dear learners, what types of picture is here? What can you see in the picture? Have you seen this form before? If yes, where? If your answer is no, can you guess when it is needed? This is a form or where we are used in such types of form. Dear learners, let's go. Okay, dear learners, today's topic is filling in a form. Filling in a form. অর্থাৎ আজকে আমরা শিখব কিভাবে মিতা যারা তার ফর্মটা ফিল আপ করেছিল সেই সম্পর্কে আজকে আমরা কিছু তথ্য রিয়েলাইজ করব। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লেটস গো। লার্নিং আউটকামস আফটার স্টাডিং the lesson students will be able to learn some new words, listen for information, read and understand the text, fill in a form. Previous class at the airport, look at the picture, talk about what do you see here, who are the people in the picture, what could be their relationships. You know that some people are waiting in the lounge for their confirming of air tickets, or they can ascend the plane and they can go up the plane for the flight. Here some people are waiting in the lounge. Okay, let's go. Vocabularies: expire, meaning to lapse and become invalid. My library card will be expired next week. Renew, meaning to make new again. I have a new my passport. Renew my passport. Visa, meaning a formal permission to enter and leave a country. The man got his visa to visit India. Valid, meaning acceptable or correct. Please don't drive without a valid license. Okay, dear learners, I will provide you a pair work. Read the card and discuss in pairs. At first, you have to read out the text very carefully and discuss your partners what types of forms are given in the text. I think all of you can find some basic information about you and your family from the text. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Section B, individual work. Text reading, page number 67. Mita's full name is Mita Sultan Ahmed. She was born on 6 May 1998. She got her passport on June 9, 2010. It's a 5-year passport. Her passport number is AB 9842251. She is going to Thailand by Bangladesh Biman. Flight number BZ88 on June 14, 2012. Section B, text reading, page number 63. Mita got her visa from the Royal Thai Embassy in Dhaka. Her visa number is T9115138. The visa is issued in Dhaka on 29 June 2012. The visa is valid for 3 months. It will expire in September 2017-2012. It is a tourist visa. If you are traveling on a tourist visa, you are not allowed to study or work here. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you have got some basic information about Mita and her family and her basic passport and her visa and ফ্লাইট নাম্বার। অর্থাৎ এখান থেকে কী জানতে পেরেছি, মিতার তার যে থাইল্যান্ডে যাবে ঘুরতে, এই ঘুরতে যাওয়ার জন্য তাদের ভিসা পাসপোর্ট দরকার ছিল, পাসপোর্টের নাম্বারটা কত ছিল, তার যে ভিসা ছিল ভিসার নাম্বার কত ছিল, ভিসার মেয়াদ কতদিন ছিল এবং ফ্লাইট ডেট কবে ছিল, সব বিষয়গুলো অলরেডি আমরা জানতে পেরে গিয়েছি, তাই না ডিয়ার লার্নার্স? ওকে, লেটস গো। Section C, Group 4. Imagine you are traveling to a foreign country. Copy the form in A and fill in with your own information. If you have a passport, use information from it. If you don't have a passport, make your imaginary passport with a visa number and expiry date, passport number, date or travel, etc. Because I want to get some information about that. If you have learned something from the Mita, and then you have to cope up some information from the text. Then you have imagined that you have a passport, you have a visa and you have a ticket. Now we are going to travel in Thailand. অর্থাৎ চিন্তা করতে হবে, যদি তোমার ভিসা পাসপোর্ট না থাকে, তোমাকে মিতার জায়গায় তোমাকে চিন্তা করতে হবে যে আমার একটা পাসপোর্ট আছে, পাসপোর্টের নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে এটা, তার ভিসার নাম্বারটা এটা, ভিসার মেয়াদ এতদিন আছে, ভিসার এইটা ফ্লাইট নাম্বারটা এটা, ফ্লাইট নাম্বার ডেটটা আসবে। অর্থাৎ তোমাকে মিতার জায়গায় নিজে দাঁড় করে একটা তোমাকে কল্পনাপ্রসূ একটা পাসপোর্ট, ভিসা এবং ফ্লাইট টিকিট কল্পনা করে তোমাকে কী করতে হবে, একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখতে হবে। Okay, dear learners, let's go. Now fill in the blanks form for yourself. Because in the form you have to give in some basic information about you and yourself, because your country, your name of death, your father's name, mother's name, date of birth, your passport number, your visa number and your flight number. Everything are given in the text. As a traveler, you have to fill in the blanks in yourself. Okay, dear learner, let's go. Section D. If you have a passport, tell me when you got it and which country or countries you have already visited. If you don't have a passport, would you like to have one? Why? অর্থাৎ ইমাজিন করো যে তোমার একটা পাসপোর্ট আছে এবং কোন কান্ট্রি বা কোন দেশে তুমি ভ্রমণে গিয়েছো, এটা তুমি কল্পনা করে তুমি একটু ইমাজিন করো, তারপরে তুমি কি করো, ভাবো এবং সে সময় তুমি কিছু তথ্যবহুল এখানে কোড করে দাও। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লেটস গো। Evaluation. Fill in the blanks or fill in the gaps with suitable words. Mita got her dash from the Royal Thai Embassy in Dhaka. Her visa number is T9115138. The visa is dash in Dhaka on 2009-2012. The visa is valid for 3 months. It will dash in September 27, 2012. It is a dash visa. If you are traveling on a tourist visa, you are not allowed to a dash or work there. Dear learners, I think all of you have got some information from my class. Then you have to fill in the blanks in yourself by knowing the text. Okay, I think all of you have complete your imagination flowing the text and you have decided that which word is suitable for the blanks. Okay, dear learners, try to review your words through the answer. Yeah, first one answer is visa and B answer is issued and C answer is expired, D answer is tourist, E answer is study. So what we have learned from today's class, today we have learned some vocabulary and use them in the sentences. seen a departure card that's been a form, read and text, understand it, filled in a form, discuss the necessity of visa and passport, evaluate it as. Okay, dear learner, let's go. Okay, I provide you a homework. Write a paragraph about the best journey of your life. That's when you have to imagine that you have already visited Thailand or Singapore or Korea or India or Pakistan or German. Then you write a short note or short paragraph on the journey. The title of the journey will be best journey of your life. Okay, dear learners, you have to write a paragraph on your imaginary journey which you have already made or which have your dream or which have you have decided that journey are going to make. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Okay, stay safe. Keep yourself on study. That's been during the pandemic period. You have to keep yourself in very safe, and then you have to try to some study at your home for the exam. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you dear learners. Thank you.